Okay, so good evening everyone. My name is Cruz, and this video is just a short video that will demonstrate or show you some of the simple yet effective ways of ensuring that the safety and security of your accounts online are protected. Alright, so number one, always use strong passwords. So please do not be lazy that you use your birth dates, your names, your addresses as your passwords. So just to share, if you Google most commonly used passwords, of course Google will give you a list of those passwords that are being used by almost everyone. So if you find or you see your password there, or just even the logic of your password is there, just please change it. Okay. Number two, always log out of your accounts before you turn off your computer. So this is our Microsoft Outlook screen. So for you to be able to sign out of your accounts, just please click on your profile there, and it will immediately show you the sign out button. Okay, so for that, I'll do sign out. There. When you see that screen, you can turn off your computer then. Number three, cleaning your browser's cache memory. So cache memory, just to share, is temporary memory stored by the browser. So they can contain whatever it is that you type from the previous screen. So I highly suggest that on a regular basis you clear this cache, or clear your browser's cache memory, in order for, like, if let's say for example your husband or your wife wants to use your computer, they won't be able to log into your accounts. So you can do that by just simply clicking on these three buttons here, three dots I mean, then click on settings, and then you will see there some of the settings that are being used by Google. So for that, you just have to click on privacy and security, and then you can clear browsing data. So for this, I won't be doing it since some of the things that I've been working on are saved online. So you just have to make sure that you clear this every once in a while to ensure that there are no residue of the information that you left out in the internet. Okay. Number four is to stop giving your personal information to guess your passwords and your security questions. So I think I've shared this in our Facebook page already. So I'm gonna share the screen that I'm using here. So if you look at the questions from the iPad, where are you from? Your favorite color, your pet's name, the street where you grew up. Basically common questions that are always or commonly being asked when you play online games, right? So if you come to think about it, those information are the same set of questions or same set of information that are being used when you try to recover your email address or some accounts that you create for other purposes, maybe banking, utilities, and others. So as you can see from the drop down list there, where did you spend your honeymoon? Where did you meet your spouse? Those are also commonly used questions that are being asked, especially in simple Facebook games, right? Like if you wanted to share how your daughter would look like, your son would look like, or if you merge your profiles together, your daughter would look like this and everything. So please make sure that you don't do that, because you're putting yourself at a very in harm's way, basically. Okay. Number five is, of course, being aware, or making sure that you double check or be keen on details. Make sure that whatever it is that you click or you open the email, it's secured. So one of the examples that we have here is the video that I used in the breach reporting or the breach management module that we've done with the properties also. So just Google in YouTube that the anatomy of an attack, then it will show you this video. You just have to click it, watch it, and then it will give you a good example of what a ransomware or a phishing email is. Alright. And again, I've mentioned that you need to be keen on detail. So an example that we have here is a sample email that I drafted. So it's the email address is sample_email_address@chromahospitality.com. As you can see, in both of the spellings there, the first one is spelled correctly, whereas the other one, the second line, the word hospitality, the letter L is changed into a bar sign. So if you're looking at it from an email browser or a browser perspective, it's pretty much the same. So please make sure that whatever it is that you click, you check and double checked it. Okay. So in the coming days, I'll be releasing a document in reference to this video. So maybe just give it a run through, give me your feedback, and then let us know if you have other items or other tips that you want to share with the group. Alright, thank you.